with mist, sunlight lost, the warmth dismissed, paint smeared in grays and blues, curtains closed, no cheerful hues, toys lie still, the fields are bare, even kites gave up the air. Oh, how I long to ride my bike past the old and rusted pike, where dandelions used to sway and dragonflies would dance all day. Now the clouds above won't move, thunder hums a mournful groove. My chalk art washed my dreams in pause. This endless storm breaks nature's laws. I press my face against the pane, counting droplets, naming rain. That one's hope and that one fear. That one looks like mama's tear. She says it's just a little wet, but the forecast's not done yet. The roof hums low, the gutters spill, the garden drowns beneath the hills. Rain, rain, go away, but some folks pray and choose to stay. The farmers watch with thankful eyes, their cracked fields open to the skies. The rivers rise, the thirst is quenched, the air is clean, the soil drenched, the world turns green beneath your grace, washing dust from earth's sad face. A paradox, this falling flood, it brings both life and tears and mud. It fills the well, it breaks the dam, it makes us cheer, it makes us cram inside small rooms where stories bloom, where firelight dances in the gloom. So while we groan and wish you gone, some pray you pour the whole night long. Rain, rain, go away, let the children run and play, but baby, let the old hearts rest, let pain wash clean from every chest. I see an old man by the lane, smiling slightly in the rain. He tips his hat and shuts his eyes, as if he's lived 1,000 skies. He whispers, child, don't curse the storm. It breaks and brings a newer form. The rain may steal your games and sun, but teaches you when day is done to look inside and find a spark, to hear the songs within the dark. Without the clouds, the stars would fade. Without the mud, no trees are made. brings both life and tears and mud. It fills the well, it breaks the dam, it makes us cheer, it makes us cry. Inside small rooms where stories bloom, where firelight dances in the gloom. So while we groan and wish you gone, some pray pour the whole night long. He whispers, child, don't curse the storm. It breaks and brings a new form. The rain may steal your